Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to quickly reverse a video clip in Premiere Pro 2023. It is a very straightforward process. Let's first watch the original footage to see the movement. In this shot, the person in the background is walking toward the camera. To flip this action, start by right-clicking on the specific clip you want to modify. Locate and select the speed and duration option from the menu. Within this window, you can adjust the playback rate by percentage. For instance, setting it to 50 would create slow motion. However, to reverse the footage, simply check the box labeled Reverse Speed. Once the checkmark appears, click OK to apply the change. The clip has now been reversed. As we play it back, you will notice the person is walking backward, and the entire sequence is inverted. It really is that easy. That covers everything for this guide. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more content, and check out our other tutorials. See you in the next one.